Hello, everybody. My name is Larry Chlandkov. I'm the founder and CEO for Real Research Therapeutics. It's my second time at the Beam Summit. It's always great to be back, to the great people and the excellent technology. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the use of Apache Beam at Real Research Therapeutic for the leukemia early detection test. Just general information about us. We are located at the Kendall Square area in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Our team is a blend of top individuals from leading education and research institutes. I myself work for Microsoft, for the Broad Institute for Bioinformatics here at Boston, Mass General, and the Whitehead Institute. Our mission at Real Research is to make precision medicine available for anyone and everywhere. And for that, the challenge of precision medicine is to shorten the time from disease onset to diagnostics, to detect multiple diseases in the annual physical test, detect multiple diseases within one test, and drive to initiate treatment before symptoms arise. By that, we could allow broader treatment options, higher chance of cure for certain diseases, and reduce the treatment cost and the patient and physician frustration. To allow everywhere accessibility to our solution, the solution is going to be available online. So here you see a web page demo of the acute myeloid leukemia blood test that is right now in validation with the pharma, with the Johnson & Johnson Innovation Lab, where we are incubated. And we are right now expanding to additional clinical condition with the Apache Beam and the Google function in the case of the website. The early detection test is using platform that is reusable. Right now, we are looking to add the sepsis detection blood test and other blood disorders. At the end of the process, the physician will get something like that, where behind the scene, we are calculating the likelihood that the patient has acute myeloid leukemia based on his blood RNA. Our platform technology utilizes RNA sequencing, big data, and machine learning-based methods. All the data is being processed using Apache Beam integrated with other data tools, and I'll give you more information about that soon. Achievements since inception. So we are about 2 years old. We joined the Google Cloud for Startup and then the Johnson & Johnson Innovation Lab in 2019. And last year, we also published our first acute myeloid leukemia early detection test. Our solution includes tools for discoveries and for early detection. For discoveries, we are offering data and analysis tool that we are using for our discoveries. And today I'm going to focus specifically on the process of the AML diagnostics test. So we use the Apache Beam integrated with Google Function, with machine learning, Google Storage, Airflow to orchestrate our processes, Google Sheet, AppScript, and BigQuery. For the clinical data, the Apache Airflow is initiating the process to clean and organize clinical unstructured data with Apache Beam, and the output either go to Firebase for the website, to Google Sheet, or to BigQuery. The process looks something like that. We have the Airflow on the top, where you hit the play button, and each task at the Airflow pipeline is initiating pipeline at the Apache Beam process. And then the output look like that. It's the clinical data output. From unstructured data, we get to structured data, where you can see the Google Sheet, the BigQuery, and the Firebase all taking a different angle at the same data. For the genomic data, specifically in our case, the RNA data, the Apache Airflow is initiating a raw genomic data processing, and the output is provided to BigQuery and to Google Storage. This is example of the genomic data, where we see expression of genes in the blood test. This is a large-scale data. I don't think there is any other industry that use so many features as the genomic. It's more than 100,000 features, and the number of samples is very big. Specifically because you're using machine learning, we're also striving to have more and more data to process. The model generation for the model, for the blood test for the early detection test, we're using the clinical data that I showed you before, the tables and the genomic data, the expression data, push it into a machine learning a process to get the test for leukemia or any other clinical condition. So at the end, what we have to serve all the models that we generated is the physician taking a blood sample with RNA from the patient, pushing it into our website. Our website is initiating process that Apache Beam is involved to process this RNA and call the model following that and give back the prediction to the patient. To sum up, Beam is instrumental tool in processing our genomic data and clinical data. The genomic data is very challenging data to process, and ORT, Oriel Research Therapeutic, is using Apache Beam in its mission to improve patient care around the world. We are hiring, important to say, and of course looking for more clients. That's it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the talk and found something interesting in the genomic era.